Sleep quiet, my child, my little drow. Your dreams invite tranquility now. Cast in this cavern, stone walls so secure, the web holds you tight through underdark night. And guardian spiders that tickle you feel, with gossamer thread weave our goddess's seal. The Spider Queen's children, and so too your kin, are here to remind you that you shall not sin. They show you the scourge, the snake-headed whip. They bite and they tear until she hears your prayer. There is no such blessing to the damned up above, those who've forsaken the Spider Queen's love. In their way lies weakness and unceasing waste, and if you would join them, then so be debased. And when Hellfire Orb looks down on your shame, your soul is burned bare, she knows you're to blame. You'll live ever running, you've no place to hide, and huddled in fear, for there is no disguise. The sun, it will burn you, the cold snow will freeze, the hopelessness tumbles you down to your knees. And when you are broken, to her you will pray, but she will not hear you, you've thrown her away. You'll find no companions to stand in our way when we hunt you and find you and torment for play. You've chosen the weaklings of the world up above, who speak empty words and know not love's love. Your love will not save you from human deceit, nor from bearded dwarves or elvish conceit. The Spider Queen shows us the one single way. There is only the night, there is never the day. For strength does not stretch through branch or through leaf, it bleeds from the roots that secure us beneath. Deep in our hearts wrapped tight in Loth's web, with venom we sting, her glory we sing. So whisper your love of your matron, your mother, who teaches the way to your sisters and brother. Brother, I say there can only be one, for if there were two, there couldn't be you, and that silken swaddle, that tickling grief, would instead be your death by the Spider Queen's teeth. Sleep sound in the darkness. Or burn in the light alone.